there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see another Git tutorial, that is git checkout dot command. So git checkout command basically switches between the branches and restore working tree files. So I have this directory git tutorial, and inside that if I'll show you git status, as of now nothing has changed. So now let's change some in index.php. So now let's edit h1. Write text for checkout, and now let's write git status. So here you can see now it's showing modified one file. So it says either use git add command to stage the changes, or either use git store to discard the changes. So here in command git checkout dot means current directory, whichever your current directory in, it will reset that. So now let's try running that. So write git checkout dot. So here you can see updated one path from the index. So now if we will see, its index file is reverted because we are in that particular directory. Now let me show you subdirectory and resetting that only. So let's create new folder here. So let's say new folder only name, and inside that let's create one more file. Let's say test checkout. So inside this let's just copy from index and paste. And now let's change heading, let's say write directory only. So now run command git status. So here you can see new folder, it's showing in untracked files. So now let's just add it to staging area git add dot, and also commit that git commit. Let's say message folder created. So now it's committed. Now let me clear terminal, and now in test checkout let's edit something. Let's say paragraph, and here write dot means current directory. So now run command git status. So you can see now one file is modified test checkout. So that is inside new folder directory. So now let's change in index as well. Let's add one paragraph. So just write some test git checkout tutorial. So now if I'll again run git status, so then you can see two files are changed. So to know how you can run this git checkout dot. Let's say in a scenario you just want to reset new folder directory only, you don't want to reset your index file. So let's go to new folder and write command git checkout dot, enter. So here you can see only updated one path. If I'll see git status, so you can see index path, index file is still like modified only, so that doesn't affect the outside one. So only this particular current directory is resetted. So that's how you can use git checkout dot command to restore the like current directory. So it's a very useful command, and so I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt, you can comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.